Hey mom, I'm feeling hungry. Are you making something?
यस बेटा, फीलिंग हंग्री? क्या बना दूं बोल?
Something light, something snacky. What, do you have any ideas?
Light, snacky. What about sandwich?
Mom, I just ate a sandwich yesterday. Give me something new, no, something innovative. Come on, you are the brainstormer.
Brainstormer. It's you, not me. But yeah, in food I can take some credit. Chal, I'll make something for you. Healthy, tasty and ingenious.
Arey mama, I trust you. Chalo, let's make it.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Cooking Fun with Mom and Son. I am Pallavi and today I am going to make corn basket.
Corn basket? You mean like we'll be eating corn in a basket, right?
And what do you think this is for?
Interesting. Everyone watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. I want to see the number of subscribers going up rapidly. Please subscribe and turn on the notifications. Also guys, like on this video and comment. Let's now make the corn basket.
Ingredients. For corn basket, we need 2 cup corn, 1 medium size cucumber, 1 medium size carrot, 1 medium size onion, half lemon, half cup coriander leaves, bread, 2 teaspoon olive oil and 1 teaspoon black pepper. Now as you can see, we have already chopped onion, cucumber and carrot. Corn filling for basket. First we will add half of the oil in a pan. We have to spread it evenly throughout the pan and wait until it heats up. Save the rest of the oil to make the basket. Now the oil is perfectly hot to add the chopped onions. Keep mixing them until they are transparent.
Transparent? How can you make onions transparent?
See Appy, our onions are transparent now.
Okay, I get it.
Add the chopped carrot and mix it a bit. Now cover it on low flame until the carrots are soft, which will take around 2 to 3 minutes. Now after 2 to 3 minutes, add sweet corn because carrots are soft and keep mixing it for 1 to 2 minutes. Now add salt according to taste and 1 teaspoon black pepper. And mix it until it gets distributed evenly. Finally add chopped cucumber because we don't have to cook it for a long time. Mix it well. Now switch off the flame and add the coriander leaves and mix it well. We added coriander leaves to enhance the taste of the corn.
Wow, mom, these look so mouth-watering.
Hannah. Now squeeze half a lemon and mix it a bit.
Wow, this has made it even more tangy. Bread basket.
Now we will take slices of bread and cut out the side hard portion. प्रत्यक्ष, बता अब मैं क्या बनाने जा रही हूँ?
Wait, the basket?
Yes, you are right. But from bread, how I will make basket from the bread?
पता नहीं, पता नहीं, बोल बना दोगे? I don't know.
Just watch. Now I am rolling the bread to make it thinner.
You're rolling the bread? Like, are you making a roti out of it?
No, but see the fat of the bread. See, that's why I am making it thinner so that I can give it shape.
Okay, so you're rolling it and making it thinner. Ah.
Yes.
I wish people could roll their stomachs and make themselves thinner.
Are you telling me?
No, general. Wait, let me try. Mom, this is the correct way, right?
Yes, beta, it's the correct way. But apply some pressure also.
Okay.
कहाँ गई तेरी सारी strength tennis break में?
I was just showing mercy, you know. Look at my strength.
अरे आराम से.
Okay, so should we have to rotate also?
Yeah, it's necessary.
Okay.
And also remember one thing. Don't apply too much pressure, otherwise bread will tear.
Okay, I'll remember that. So I realized one thing, that rolling this is much easier than rolling a roti. So I think I can do the rest also.
For sure. Now I am going to give shape to our basket.
Whoa, I was waiting from this from the starting. I wanted to know how you'll do it.
Happy, it will be an eatable basket. While doing this, preheat your microwave for 1 minute. And take this type of bowl, glass bowl, to make the basket. Grease them with oil with the same olive oil which we saved while making corn. We made the bread thinner so that it can easily take the shape of the bowl, like this.
Okay, so I think our baskets are ready.
No, Happy, it's not ready yet. How it will take shape after taking it out?
I don't know, it has something to do with the microwave, I guess.
I don't know.
Why are you making a mystery? My brain will burst.
Now our baskets are finally going to attain shape.
And Mom, they are also about to go to their final destination, that's the microwave.
Yes. Now put all the bowls in the microwave. Now we have to microwave it for 10 minutes.
Mom is outside, but still let me check once. Hey, wait, I think they're done. Hey Mom, Mama!
Yes, Betu.
Mama!
Yes.
I think these are done, Mom.
Done? Let me check. Oh yes, it's done.
Perfect also, I think.
Yes, see, this is your basket.
I knew it that time only.
Thanks, Betu. You saved our baskets.
Oh, it was nothing, you know, I'm always attentive. Look at it, perfect brown on the bottom also. Because of me. And guys, keep checking on your basket or else they'll burn and your hard work will go in water. So please keep checking. So now we will take the baskets out and put them on a plate. Eating! So Mom, I guess we'll put the corn filling in the basket and then eat it, right?
Yes. In fact, now we can add melted cheese also on the corn and it will become cheese corn basket.
Wait, where's the health, Mom? I thought last video you were telling me not to put marshmallows and choco chips in my hot chocolate.
Right. But this is for cheese lovers.
Oh really? Forget about people. It's too fatty. But
Yeah.
it's your choice. I
Yeah,
don't suggest.
It's up to you.
So according to the amount of corn we are filling in each basket and the size of our basket, I think we can make 8 to 10 baskets more, right, Mom?
Yes, Betu.
So guys, this is our corn basket. Let's eat it now, Mom. Cheers.
Hope you will like it, Happy.
Yes, I will.
See the crispiness. Wow. Yummy?
You must try this, guys. Like, it's a crime if you don't make these. Hey guys, thanks a lot for watching the video.
Please like and comment on the video.
Also guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon because you don't want to miss out on such mouth-watering and innovative videos like this. Mom's ideas, you know. Also guys, stay tuned because cooking becomes much more fun
when you do it with your son.
Yes guys, sign off for now. We'll meet you in our next video.